How's it going? This is going to be my first Plndr unboxing video. I just got home from school and it was here. It arrived at my door when I was at school. My mom had to pay for the shipping, or not the shipping, but the duty. That's the only thing I had to pay for extra. Okay, so I'm doing this on my phone, so the quality is not going to be that great. I got a few things. The box isn't that big. It wasn't as big as I was expecting. I'm just gonna set this down for a sec. Okay. Alright, first off, I got an analog sweater. Looks like it's gonna be nice. Got this in a medium. Looks pretty nice. Second, got an analog t-shirt in green. Looks like it's gonna be good. I got another analog, I do believe. I'm gonna take this out of the package after, so yeah. Oh, that actually might be Society. And another t-shirt, medium. And fourth pair of jeans, TVIK. Look at these, pretty nice. And last, pair of Radiis. Oh, they'll look very nice. Got a belt for them. Oh, beast. Yeah, those are nice. Oh yeah. Just what I wanted. Size 9. Oh, no, size 10. That's what I got. They're really nice. They're going to look really good with that teal belt at the top. Yeah, they look sick. I can't wait to rock this. It's cool. Alright, oh, they come with purple laces as well. It's cool. It's nice. I really like that collar. Alright. I'm gonna open the pants up a second here. The thing I like most about this website is that, not that it's cheap, is that all the products come from the store. Like the legit store actually, and the packaging. These are gonna be nice. Yeah, they look really nice. I like them. Got them in a size 28. Right there. Alright, so next I'm gonna open up the crocodile t-shirt I have bought. This is pretty cool. Yeah. It's a pretty bomb t-shirt. It says Le Sexual on it. Got that in a medium. Looks like it's gonna be good. It's by Breezy Excursion. It's a pretty nice shirt, t-shirt. Next, I'm gonna open up, I guess this is an analog. Looks like it's gonna be nice and fit. All this stuff looks like it's gonna fit great. This is my first Plndr unboxing, so analog. It's nice. Alright, third I'm gonna open up my analog t-shirt. Second one. Shoes are really bomb. I can't wait to wear them. Brady makes nice shoes. There's my second analog t-shirt in green, medium also. And I'm gonna open up this last. See, in my sweater. It's really heavy. Feels like it's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's so bright red you can barely see it. It says analog. And it's actually really nice because the inside's all fur. I actually didn't notice that in the picture. It's nice. I can't wait to wear this. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will be buying more from Plndr here soon, and we'll be making another unboxing. So be sure to check it out.